Oh, hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm exercising. To say that in Navajo, you say, Atah Hodiszééh, Atah Hodiszééh, I'm exercising. To say, I exercise by running, you'd say, Atah Hodiszééh, na dishwo. Atah Hodiszééh, na dishwo. To say, you go outside and exercise, we say, Tlogo nanna, Atah Hodiszééh, Tlogo nanna, Atah Hodiszééh. To say, Jacoby exercises by lifting weights, we say, Atah Hodiszééh b'neyeh, Jacoby beishtan dazigi da ne jahle. Atah Hodiszééh b'neyeh, Jacoby beishtan dazigi da ne jahle. To use this word in a sentence, you can say, Di hanana chegibiye, Atah Hodiszééh ba na sharonsin. Di hanana chegibiye, Atah Hodiszééh ba na sharonsin. Which means, in this new year, I want to work out. We also get our word for fitness center or workout gym from this word, Atah Hodiszééh bilchaz'ah, Atah Hodiszééh bilchaz'ah, exercise area. And that is today's Navajo word of the day, Atah Hodiszééh, I'm exercising. Have a nice day. Nijinago ne ado'at